Bali birthday ni mama ngayon. Peace. Ating kainan. Kami lang walang bisita. Update you later guys. 3 seconds.
Where are we going?
It's Mama's birthday.
Where are the kids?
Lola's birthday.
Where are we now? We're going to Lola's house to celebrate her birthday. Hi, Princess Zoe. Say hello to the camera. Where are we going? We're going to Ate Mika. Oh, he's just making fun of you. He's just joking.
Pagas muna kami.
Zoe is excited to see you.
Gas dito eh. Come, you carry the gift. Give it to Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola.
I press the doorbell, okay? Say happy birthday! Say happy birthday! Hi!
Thank you. I love you. Oh my goodness, you're filming.
Happy birthday, Ma! Ma! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Nagbigos ka? Katno?
Ay, hanggayan. Nagdinay ni Sheila.
Pahinga-pahinga eh. Day-day?
Dahil nagdigutak na rabiin ah.
Bangsit mo na ta.
Wala tagi color. The color ti buok.
Siguro dyan sa mga ano.
Okay, go pray. Bless Lola.
Amen. Good job. Oh, let's sing a song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, what's your wish, Mama?
What's your wish, Ma?
Ma,
What's
ano
your
wish mo?
wish?
Sana makapunta na rin dito si Darwin.
Oh! So, Darwin.
Darwin is the wish.
Knock knock, Darwin. Ayan na si Darwin.
Ano ka natawan mo? 76.
76. Kubing pa natin itsura yan.
Kuya ka no?
Kubing pa lang, kasla.
Ubing ka na titsura, Ma. Kasla ka ng 10 years old.
Kasla ka na 10 years old.
Very nice.
Sandro.
Hello.
Hey, what's happening?
Hello. Kamusta kayo, Uncle, Auntie? Apay, duduwa kayo lang nga eh. Hindi dito duma.
Sabi namin gift. Kasha sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam eh. Kuhaan ko mamaya. Try ko.
Vaccinated, lagi picture.
Yay! Thank you!
Sino kadlam tita? Sino kadlam? Hindi!
Thank you, nakatulog na sila. Sorry po, nagising kayo. Oh. Say, ano ba yun?
Say, bagam na ito yung bagam na ito yung 10 times.
Sila ate din, sila ate din.
Yan, tita.
Bagam na ito yung
Father, father, 10.
father, 10 times. Sige, sige na.
Sabihin mo yung father ng 10 times.
Maming sama po lang iba. Sige, game.
Father, 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 father.
Oh, ayan.
Isa pa, ang tanda, ang galing. Ano yung English ng pakpak?
Ano nga dati ko sa kanya? Ibagam na ito yung father 10 times. Father. Anong English ng pakpak? Father. Ang galing ah. Anong English ng pakpak? Ang galing! Father 10 times. 10 times.
Father.
Father 10 times.
Father.
Kanya English ni pakpak.
Father.
Galing ah! Galing! Ulitin mo nga anong English ng pakpak.
Father.
Galing oh!
Isa pa.